What is a decimal? A decimal is a number with a decimal point. These are the examples: 0.25, 2.55, 3.167. So these are decimal points. Now we have two types of decimals. We have the like decimals and the unlike decimals. Now let me show you examples of like and unlike decimals. We have like decimals 3.41 and 24.55. How are they like decimals? They are like decimals because they have the same number of decimal places. This is where the decimal point is. This is 1 and this is 2. This is where the decimal point is. This is 1 and this is 2. So these two numbers have two decimal places, okay? Why this one is unlike decimals? Because this is 13.21. It has two decimal places, and this is 2.5. It has one decimal places. So these ones are unlike decimals and these ones are like decimals. Let me show you how to arrange this decimal number under their respective place values, okay? So first of all, identify the decimal points, which is here. So this is the decimal. This is the decimal point. So let's go this way. This is the ones, this is the tenths, this is the hundreds, this is a thousand, okay? This is a thousand. So we'll now go over to this side. You know, after the decimal point, the next place value there is the tenths. The next one is hundreds. Hundreds. And the next one is thousands. You need to know the difference. Thousands. So these are the place values. I want you to do this one for me. Let's identify the place value of 3 in these decimal numbers. The first one is 3.47. So this is 3 ones, okay? This is ones. The next one is 36.12. This is ones and this is tenths. So what we have here is what? 3 tenths. Now the next one is 10.35. This is tenths. So what we have here is 3 tenths. Now I want you to tell me the place value of these 3 in the comment section. Most students find it difficult to multiply decimals without a calculator. Let me show you how you do it. First of all, ignore the decimal point, okay? Ignore the decimal point. Let's do this multiplication. So it's going to be a long multiplication. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. You write 0, carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus that 1, that's 7. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3. So you add, okay, this is 8, 4, 7 plus 5 is 12. So you write down to carry 1, put here, and this is 4, okay? Now, you've gotten this number. Remember, you're not going to forget the decimal numbers, okay, the decimal places. So what do? You count the number of decimal places here, then you impute it here. This one we have 2 decimal places. This is 1, 2. Here we have 1 decimal places. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you come here, you now count 1, 2, 3. This is where the decimal point falls. So your answer is 4.248. This is your answer. I want you to do this one for me using the same method.